Welcome back, friends, to another update. Today we're gonna talk about Breadcoin. After this huge crash, I think the best opportunity we got is in meme coins. So for now, we see Bread at 9 cent trading right now. We have a market cap of $940 million here. What's crazy is about Bread is this is still not trading on Binance. So imagine the price for Bread after this will be listed on Binance, if it will be listed on Binance. But still, guys, it's really huge with that market cap, and especially after that dump, guys. Let's take a look. Now you can see I'm on a daily time frame. So these two blue lines were my resistance and support. As you can see, the first time we broke about this here, we came across somewhere 19 to 20 cents. It depends on which exchange. But the second time we got rejected really good, and my support line was at, let's see, somewhere between 11 and 12. Yeah, we came to 10 cents, and right now the last days we broke my support, what was a good sign. I took some trades here, and this was a dump. Let's take 1 week from Tuesday to Tuesday. Yeah, 50%, 50 to 60%, depends where you got in. And you can see, guys, that still we broke the support, but we pumped from the last high back in April this year. So yeah, let me clear this for you here. So I'm talking about this high here back then in April. I'm currently looking on the chart for Bybit. So yeah, we have a low of 6 cents here for Bybit. So this green candle closed really bullish after that dump, and right now, guys, we're continuing to pump towards the upside. Me personally, I would not short today. I would short if we come close to my next target. My next target would be between 10 and 11 cents. Let's say between 10 and 12 cents. So this here, between this blue line here and this white line starting from 10 cents. Why? Because I could imagine that after we're seeing some pump to the upside, that this low here back then in July could act as a resistance, and we might see as I said, resistance, and could see maybe another retest of the levels of between 7 and 8 cents. This could be possible. Another case would be if we are closing this week mega bullish above this blue line, above 12 cents, and then I would not short Bread anymore. I would only look into some long positions back to the all-time high, minimum to 17 cents. So as I said, to be really clear here, if we're getting to this blue line, I'm looking into some short positions if I'm seeing a confirmation. If we're breaking above this blue line, I'm looking into some long positions to take this up there. So this would be a trade between 30 to 40%. Of course, guys, take profit earlier because this is a meme coin, and the dailies and the weekly candles could close really crazy. And a short position would be 20 to 15%, depends, guys. Depends from where you take it, depending on the blue line here. So yeah, I hope you understand my way I'm looking into this chart here. So let's get into some smaller time frames. Let's get into the 1 hour time frame, and you will clearly see, guys, that this movement to the upside is, in my opinion, a strong explosive movement. Look at this 1 hour candles closing always green with strong momentum, with strong volume. By volume, I mean, look at these candles. Let's check the candles weeks before. You see the 1 hour candles, how small they are. Of course, guys, if we're dumping to the downside, the candles are also big. But this pump from 6 cents to 9 cents is a 50% pump. Do I want to join into a long position after a 50% pump? I would not. I would rather not join a position or open a position after a 50% recovery, from here to here. I'm looking into Bread. Let me check this out here. Yeah. I'm looking into Bread like, I would wait a couple days. I want to see if we're getting to 10 cents to 11 cents and maybe possibly open a short position. The daily is closing green. I don't think that this will close red, you know. That's why I'm not looking into short positions right now. I would only long today, maybe on a Tuesday. In the next days, I'm looking into some short positions, because after a pump, we, you know, most of the time see also another, you know, another confirmation of the bottom. That's why a short opportunity will come, in my opinion, guys. Let me know what you're thinking about bread. You know, I'm bullish into the long term. I'm definitely bullish on that, especially for the base chain. You know, this could be the Shiba on the base chain. This could be the Dodge on the base chain. So that's why I think the potential is really big for bread. Let's get into Turbo, because I was also holding Turbo spot. Yes, let's take Bitget for Turbo, because Bitget has Turbo listed since 23. And yeah, we are seeing a huge pump to the upside. That's nice to see the data. So the pump from May until now, 900%, over 1000% starting. Let's take the low until here, so 1500%. That's crazy. That's mind blowing for a shitcoin, for a meme coin. To be honest, guys, I went into Turbo somewhere in March this year, not on the lowest point, not on the highest point, but it was somewhere here. Somewhere here, I joined into a position, on a spot position. I forgot about it, and then I got out. After it was somewhere here. I forgot it definitely, and then I took, I don't know, 500 to 600%, but it was a small spot position, as I said. But I forgot about that position, and yeah, I could take way more out. But right now, guys, let's talk about this, because Turbo, you know, got to this exact low we had on July. So it's still looking not bearish, in my opinion, because we didn't broke the last lows from the weeks and months ago. I know that, you know, this red candle is huge, but still we are not trading below this low here. Yeah, to be clear. So that's why, guys, I'm not that bearish on Turbo. I'm way more bearish on Shiba and on Dodge right now, but Turbo is holding strong right now, especially with this daily candle. Let's see how the week will close, but right now on this Tuesday, it's not looking too bearish. Let's take the RSI and the MACD into our consideration, and yeah, we have bearish momentum. So I'm, you know, thinking about also some long positions, but I want to see Turbo, you know, retesting these lows here. I want to see Turbo retesting these lows here, and then maybe get into some long positions. I don't want to short right now. Maybe you want to long it, you know, for a couple of hours, but be really careful here. Be really careful here for Turbo. We broke the trend to the downside on some smaller time frames. So yeah, let's say it like that. We have this low here, you know, from the last June to July. This was the low. We retested it. We found support, and now the next big resistance would be, in my opinion, this low here, or let's say these highs here at around 0.05. We could see another pump to this. From now on, this would be 20% approximately, but who knows, guys. If Bitcoin decides to dump right now, we will see the same scenario on the shitcoins, meme coins, altcoins, whatever you want to call it. What I like to see is on the RSI that we've been oversold here. You can see it here exactly on the RSI, and yeah, right now we are above the SMA and moving towards the upside. As soon as I'm seeing also the RSI pointing towards 70 to 80 on the RSI, you know, looking to some short positions maybe, but this is my ultimate short target, where I'm waiting to maybe short this again. Right now I'm just chilling and enjoying the ride here. Yeah, Turbo is looking way more bullish than Shiba and Dodge. Bread is another thing. Yeah, depending. So look on the weekly RSI, guys. This is crazy. Now most of the time, after seeing this huge pump here, you know, you see this, you know, how you want to call it, wicks or whatever you want to call it here, to the upside. Normally we see another pump to the upside to make a bearish divergence, and this could be maybe a final entry, or how you want to call it, sell confirmation to get out of turbo, maybe like that. But let's see how this weekly will close. As I said, you know, you see it here on the weekly. This is my target, this blue line. Let's make it a blue line here. Yeah, let's make it like that. I'm waiting for this target here. And yeah, let me know what you're thinking, guys. Subscribe to this channel, like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.